Collective means something like collection, and a collective noun is the name given to group of people, place, animal or thing. They are very interesting. Let's look at some common examples. A group of players is called a team. So team is a collective noun. What do we call a group of employees? That word is staff. In the same way, I have some more examples of interesting collective nouns on screen. A group of students is called class. A group of criminals is called gang. There are also collective nouns for animals. For example, a group of wolves is called pack. And hilarious but totally real name for group of pandas is an embarrassment. There are also collective nouns for things. 6 to 10 keys, together known as bunch. And when you need to talk about stairs from one floor to another floor, it's called flight of stairs. Collective nouns can be difficult because there are so many collective nouns and it's really difficult to remember all of them. So what you can do? There are two things which you can do. First, you can learn the most common collective nouns. The examples that I just showed you are some very common collective nouns. So if you learn the most common collective nouns, you can use them fluently in your conversation, but sometimes you might be in a situation where you want to use a collective noun but you don't know it or you cannot recollect it. Like you want to say a gang of criminals, but you cannot remember the word gang. So what you can do? You can simply use the word group. Yes, a group of criminals, and your meaning will be clear. Similarly, you can use the word bunch. Bunch is a common collective noun. Example, bunch of bananas, bunch of people, bunch of grapes, bunch of monkeys. Bunch means cluster or group, and this trick can save you there. You can also use quantity expressions like a lot of, some, etc. If you use them, your meaning will be clear. But one reason to learn collective nouns is that if we will be using correct collective noun in a situation, it will make our speech sound impressive and stylish. So try to learn as many as you can.